Windshield rain repellents are essential for enhancing visibility and safety during inclement weather. They work by creating a hydrophobic surface on the windshield, causing water droplets to bead up and swiftly roll off, thus clearing the glass more effectively than wipers alone could achieve. In this video, we will break down some of the top products from trusted brands like Chemical Guys and Rain-X to help you make an informed decision tailored to your specific driving conditions. Let's start. Number 1. Chemical Guys CLE30116SW Windshield Rain Repellent. Chemical Guys CLE30116SW combines both glass cleaning and ceramic coating protection in one step, making it highly convenient and efficient. It provides superior clarity and a slick surface that allows rain and debris to slide off effortlessly, ensuring safety in any weather condition. Key features: cleans and protects in one step. Keep your windshield clear in rain, snow, or debris. Delivers high optical clarity. Simple spray, wipe, and buff method. Can be used on automotive glass, shower glass, and home windows. Number 2. Rain-X 5071268 Windshield Rain Repellent. Rain-X 5071268 is a fast and easy solution for improving visibility in wet conditions by causing water to bead and roll off your windshield. It not only repels rain, but also helps remove snow, ice, bugs, and road spray, making it highly versatile. Its streak-free formula ensures a clean and clear surface without the need for buffing. Key features: spray on and wipe away, no buffing needed. Ensures clean and clear glass. Causes water to bead and roll off. Prevents sleet, snow, and bugs from sticking to glass. Number 3. Invisible Glass 92184 Windshield Rain Repellent. Invisible Glass 92184 offers powerful protection against rain, sleet, and snow while delivering a streak-free shine. It enhances driver safety by improving reaction time by 25% in wet conditions, thanks to its effective rain repellent formula. This product not only repels water, but also makes it easy to remove debris, bugs, and grime, ensuring a clear view in all weather conditions. Key features: keep your windshield clear in various weather. Enhances visibility by 25% in wet weather. Removes bugs, grime, and debris while repelling water. Ensures a clean and clear windshield. Satisfaction guaranteed or your money back. Number 4. Rain-X 630529 Windshield Rain Repellent. Rain-X 630529 dramatically enhances visibility in wet weather by creating a super slick barrier on your windshield that repels rain, sleet, and snow. This trusted brand has been helping drivers stay safe on the road, making it a reliable choice for all weather conditions. The easy application process ensures that the windshield stays clear, improving both driving comfort and safety. Key features: repels rain and reduces snow adhesion. Creates a non-stick, invisible barrier. Rain-X has 50 years of reliability. Simple application for instant protection. Repels rain, snow, sleet, and dirt. Number 5. Rain-X 800002243 Windshield Rain Repellent. Rain-X 800002243 not only repels rain, but also helps restore headlights and clear plastic by removing haze and discoloration, enhancing visibility and safety. Its heavy-duty formula effectively cleans windshields by stripping away dirt, bugs, and grime, improving overall driving clarity. This product is ideal as a windshield prep before applying Rain-X Original treatment for maximum protection. Key features: removes haze and discoloration, strips away heavy residue, dirt, bugs, and grime, enhances windshield clarity for safer driving, ideal for windshield preparation, convenient size for multiple uses. Thanks for exploring the best windshield rain repellents on the market with us. Each of the products offers unique features to keep your windshield clear and improve your driving experience in all weather conditions. If you found this review helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more in-depth reviews. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update on our latest content.